Let's start with our fourth problem in the blind 75 series. Number 238, product of array except self. So what the goal of this is, we need to find the product of all the remaining elements and store it in the current index. So this place will give you 2 into 3, 6, 4 is 24. If you consider this place, it will be 1 into 3 into 4, 12, like that. There is another instruction we need to follow, that our algorithm runs in big O of n time and without using the division operator. Let's see how to proceed with this problem. So what we need to do is, we'll make a left array and a right array. So we need to push the start and then update the start. And we'll start with start1 is equals to 1. So push start and then update the start as start into the current number. So the current number is here. We'll push start first. We push 1 and then update the start as 1 into 1 equals to 1. Then we move to here and push start first, which in this case is 1. Then update the start again, which is 1 into 2 equals 2. And then when we move here, we push the start again, which is 2, and then update the start, which is 2 into 3, which is 6. Then when we move here, we push the start, which is 6. And then we don't need that anymore. It will run till the length of the array. Now we'll do another thing. We'll do the same thing from the right. We'll take a variable as start2 and it will be initialized with 1. So we'll do the same thing. We'll be pushing the start, then update the start as start into nums of I, which is 4 equals 4. So it is 4 now. On moving to this index, we'll push the start 2 here and then update the start 2, which is 4 into 3 equals 12. On moving to this index, we'll push the start again, which is 12, and update the start as 12 into 2, which is 24. And then when we move here, we'll update the start here 24 and then update the start as 24 into 1, but it doesn't matter because we traverse the length. So if you see the left and the right arrays, if you multiply these two arrays, we will get this, which is the required result, 24, 12, 8 and 6, which is the output. Let's write some code. Let is equals to, this is our resultant array that will return. Let's traverse the array. This is from the left side. Now we'll first push the start and then update the start, which is right. Now we'll take the start2 variable for traversing it from the right. To traverse it from the right, we'll start the loop in the opposite direction. and we'll do the same, push and start. But we can also reduce the lines of code and the total time by doing a small trick where we can update the result array and the start to directly by using now we'll return the resultant array. So how this works, you can try to figure it out on your own. Just write it down on a piece of paper, that how the resultant arrays from the left and right are getting multiplied. You will easily figure out how this works. Let's run this. Accepted and submit. Just a quick little note here. If you try to run it in any kind of a JavaScript compiler, you may come across some values inside our second example where you can see minus zeros, negative zeros. So I'll quickly put some information about it from ChatGPT. It's not wrong. It's just how JavaScript will show you the numbers sometimes.